Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to set up voicemail on iPhone. Once you record your voicemail greeting, you won't have to worry about missing a call. Here's how you can set up voicemail and check your messages on iPhone. Click on the phone icon on your home screen. Go to the Voicemail tab, then choose the Setup button. Choose between a default greeting or a personalized custom greeting. If you want to record your own voicemail greeting, choose Custom. If you select Custom, tap the Record button to record a greeting. When you're done, tap on the Stop button and choose Play to hear your recording. Now, save your outgoing greeting. That's all. What other tips do you want to know? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.